So, again, welcome back to another DSA live classes. Okay, my name is Aditya, and I'm going to teach you about, or you can say that, explain about the lead code session. Lead code session is nothing but the I will be teaching you how you can solve the problem, but I'm also with you. I'm also doing the practicing with you. Okay, I'm also a learner, so I will be doing the questions, and we will be we will be implementing the approach. We will be discussing the approach like a interviewer things. I'm going to create kind of, you can say that, the structure. Okay, so that's I want to do with all of you. So please be with me and participate in the class. If you know, if you don't know, if you know the approach, either bad, good, right, wrong, doesn't matter. Just try to explain that approach. That's the our goal of this classes, right? So let's start the session. So today's problem is best time to buy and sell stock. Okay, let me uh, let me confirm recording is on. Okay, fine. So today's problem is all about the best time to buy and sell stock. So basically, this problem is, and don't try to see the solution because solution is already there, because I have already told this in our previous classes. I have explained this question many times. But this is the thing you need to take care about this. Oh, give me 1 second. The question is about best time to buy and sell stock, where we will be like first of all understanding the problem, and then we will good to go for the solution. So I'm just moving for the whiteboard. So this is, I have already taken this. Okay, so you can, I have just taken a screenshot. You can just easily read this particular problem, and then you will be getting the solution, or not a solution. I'm not expecting a solution. If you will give me the solution, that would be great. But if you will not be able to give me the solution, if you will not be able to find the approach, just try to make the approach. That's our class's goal. Okay, live classes goal. So try to just make the approach. What will be the approach? Explain the approach in the front of me. Just consider like me and you are sitting in the room, and you are explaining me the approach. So the time starts now. I am giving you the like 10 minutes. You can just assume, you can, it's a 9:20. On 9:30 I will be asking you. If you will not be able to tell me, then I will be explaining you what's the problem or what the solution is. Okay.
Sir, I have an approach. Can I tell?
Yeah, sure. Wait.
Yeah, so according to me, I'll find the minimum number present in the array and index of that minimum number, and then from that index, I'll search for the maximum number present in the array. And like in here, the minimum number is 1, and when I'll iterate my loop from 1 till the end, I'll get 6 as the highest number. So I'll print 1 minus 6, which is equals to 5. I guess
Very
this might be the
excellent.
answer.
Excellent. Okay, so this is the kind of approach you are implementing. So anyone else wants to give the any approach? So this is approach you are telling brute force or like optimal?
Sir, according to me, it's brute force. I don't know whether to how to optimize it. So it would be
Okay,
great if you'll tell me how to optimize it.
okay. Cool.
Yeah.
Good try. Anyone else?
Sir,
Yes.
first we will find the lowest number in the array, sir. Then we will take the index of that number separately, and then
Okay.
from that index onwards, from right side we check what is the highest price, and then if there is any highest price, then above the that one, we will sell there.
Okay.
Have you-
Good. Excellent. Anyone else want to? Because we are having like 5 minutes, because we will be doing today's one question. That is this. Okay. So that's why I am like at the end I will be taking some queries of your because lots of persons were telling me I have a lots of queries related to placements and also I will be also taking this query. That's why I take this lecture very precise for this one question. Nobody wants to give any answer, or they are thinking. Anybody is thinking, or should I just move towards the solution if you are not thinking? Because
Hello, Adit.
yeah.
So there is one more approach. Like we can find profit from the each indices. Okay.
Correct.
We will calculate the like profit for each one, and we will go with the like go with the indices first with at the last, and then we will check with the maximum profit. If it is equal to, then we will sell it. And we uh, we will not and one more thing is there, we will not able to buy it and at the last end and
Okay,
last
cool.
day.
Cool. Good. Very good. So excellent. Adding such a kind like very good responses from your sides. I'm thinking I'm like thankful to all of you who are just trying and who are not trying. I'm not saying you are bad and all. At least you are here to learn something. That's the very big thing. Okay. Come back to the solution. Okay, how we will be find the solution of this problem. So first of all, before going to start the solution, just I want to give the one tip, or you can say that not a tip, it's kind of you can say that the some hint to you, or not a hint, just kind of you can say that the explanation about the how you will be approaching, how will you how should you approach the problem. The problem how can you approach is कि first of all you don't need to think about कि I need to find the best solution. I need to find the best solution. Don't think about it. Just think about it कि there is a problem has given. Okay, I need to find the solution of this. It could be two solution, three solution, n number of solution, I don't know. But first of all, or first my goal is to give the solution of this problem in the front of interviewer, or in a real life we are like first of all think the solution. If this solution is not good for me, and like suppose it's taking a lots of time, then we will choose another if it is available. If it is not available, then we have to choose that one that is only available, right? So there is a something you have to keep in your mind when you will be approaching the problem. Okay, so this is the thing. Up now come to the problem ki how what's the like solution of this problem. So first of all, the try to read the problem. What's problem is saying? You are given an array, that is the prices array. Okay, so we have given this prices where prices of I is the price of given stock of the ith day. So I'm just explaining the question, who is not be able to understand ki what is the question is saying, and if I will just tell the solution, then people will be saying ki, okay, Aditya has just do the formality and all. I don't wanted to do that. Okay, so what I will do, I will just try again, I'm just repeating the question. Okay, the question is saying given an array price where prices of I is the price of a given stock on the ith day. So we have given the array price. The prices of I means each element is the price of a given stock. Okay. So let's suppose on the ith day. So ith is nothing but the indexing. So each indexing is representing the what? The day. So I'm considering here indexing is where, let's suppose I'm considering here indexing is from 0 1. Okay, so 1 2, let me use the sign, 3 4
Your
5.
voice is cracking a little bit.
My voice is cracking now.
Yeah, sir. Now it's fine, but it was cracking while you were speaking.
Okay, fine, sorry. So let me know, it is audible to everyone now.
Yes, quite
Now it's
audible
fine,
right
sir.
now.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, cool. So I'm just saying again, repeating the question. You are given an array prices where prices of I is the price of a given stock on the ith day. So ith is nothing but the ith day is nothing but the indexing, like a 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is the day. The first day the price of stock is how much? 7. The second day the price of stock is how much? 1 stock, sorry. The price of stock on third day is 5, like and so on. So basically indexing is representing the day, and the value that is present at that particular index is representing the what? It is the price of the stock. It is clear to everyone, this particular line, right? So now let's move towards the next line is saying next statement is saying you want to maximize your profit by choosing a single day. Means we have to choose the one day which day I can buy, and I want to sell, I want to choose the another day which I can just choosing a different day in the future to sell that stock. So what is the meaning of this particular whole statement is nothing but the you need to choose the out of this 6 days, one day for selling, one day for selling, okay, and one day for you can say that the purchasing or buying. Okay, so you can say that the first of all you will buy the stock and you will sell the stock. So we need to like find the maximum profit ki which day I will buy the stock and which day I will sell the stock, then I will get the maximum profit. So let's suppose I'm taking example. Okay, if I will buy the stock on second day and if I will sell the stock on fifth day, then I will get the maximum profit, right? Because the price of on second day is very of the price of the stock, and the price on fifth day of the particular stock is very high. So let me confirm one thing. It is this problem statement is clear or not? Anyone having any doubt in the problem statement? Ki what is this problem statement?
No, sir. Got
No,
it.
sir.
Got the point.
Okay, got it. So now the return the maximum profit. We have to return the maximum profit can achieve from this transaction. If you cannot achieve any profit, then return zero. So remember this case. This is also our boundary case. If we will not achieve anything, then we will be returning zero. Okay. Let's clear this all kind of thing and let's move towards the basics things. Ki what I want to just explain you. Listen very carefully, my dear friends. First of all, you need to take care about this कि when you will be purchasing the stock. Tell me one thing. That's I'm asking a very simple mathematics. If you have this particular prices, that is 7, 1, 2, 5, 9. So which day you will be buying? Like you will be buying on that day, on that day, which day the price of that particular item, not take a stock, let's say item is very high or is very low.
So very
Tell me
low.
the answer. Very low. We will be saying ना कि यार आज तो बहुत ज्यादा कम भाव चल रहा है, let's purchase in a bulk. Okay, like it happened in a like in a onion, and it happened in a like lemon in a past ki the lemon price is going low and let's like purchase in a very bulk amount. Okay, because it is going low, or whenever it will be high, then the particular shopkeeper will be selling that particular, you can say that the item in a very high price, and they will be getting a maximum profit. Okay, so that thing we want to discover. Basically, the cost price, whatever the cost price, and we have to discover our ki which day I will be sell this particular item. So what will be my selling price? And we have to choose this cost price selling price in such a way ki we will be getting a maximum profit. And we have given the days boundaries ki we can only select these days, like this days 71536. Okay, let's move towards the one graph that's I want to tell you that would be great. You can say that the explanation about this question. Okay, let me just 71536. This is the array. Let's note down this array. 71536 and 4. This is my array, right? Let's talk about this. Why I just created this kind of graph. So let's say this is the 7, this is the 1, this is the 5, this is the 3, this is the 6, and this is the 4, something like that. So 7 is on high, 1 is on low, then 5, okay, and then 3, and then 6, and then some kind of 4, you can say. I draw the wrong, like just see it, 4 is on upper, okay, on upside of the 3. Okay, this particular graph is visible to everyone.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. Thank you. So what I want to just explain you with the graph. Actually, the graph is saying, you can say, at the first day, the price, let me mark down the day with another pen. So let's say the first day, the price of this particular graph is how much? Particular stock. The price of particular stock is how much? 7. The price on second day, the price of the price of that particular stock on second day is how much? 1. Then on third day, 5. On fourth day, 3. And then fifth day is 6. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then sixth day, sorry. Sixth day is 4. We have given this 3 days, 6 days. Okay, so remember this thing. Blue represent the what? Blue represent your, yellow represent your prices. Remember this thing. Don't confuse with this. And yellow is representing your day in this graph. Okay, cool. What I want to tell you, okay, now tell me one thing. With this graph, I'm not asking any kind of code, any kind of approach. Tell me one thing, okay, which day I should buy the stock. Tell me. Which day I buy the stock? I should buy the stock. It is very simple.
Second day.
Why second day?
Because price is 1.
This is low. Correct. That is very simple. If you are not understanding, you can tell me. You can let me know. The price of which day you be choosing. Okay. Okay, which day I will be choosing the stock price. I should buy the stock. Which day I will be choosing? So I will be choosing on that day. Which day the price of this particular stock is very low. Let's suppose we have a prep insta stock, right? And prep insta price is something like that, and I want to buy the prep insta stock, right? So how will I be able to buy the prep insta stock? So this is the thing ki, on like so let's suppose on a second day the price of this prep insta stock is going down 1 rupees. So no, I'm just taking an example ki the price prep insta stock price is going 1 rupees. So what I will be doing, if I want to buy the prep insta stock, then what I will do, I will buy this on second day, because the second day is the least price ever, least price. So I will be buying on that day. And which day I will be selling?
Sir, we can buy on all days and sell on particular days. No?
Can you could you please say loud? I'm not be able to hear you properly.
We can buy on
Maximum
all
this
days.
maximum price at the day, like 6 on the
Six.
fifth day.
Why can I not sell on this first day? Give me the answer.
Sir, because we have to buy before we
जो
have to
खरीद
sell.
को पहले कैसे बेच
Correct. So before going to sell anything, we should make sure that we have to buy the item. Okay. And of course, we cannot, you cannot buy in like, you can say, okay, I will buy in the past. Not like I will sell in past and something like that. I will be buying the item in the future. That's not, doesn't make sense, right? So you should know ki first of all you should buy the item, and then you would be able to sell the item. So after this, like 7 is discarded from the option. We are remaining this kind of 3 days. That is the how much, the first day, second day, sorry, first day, uh yeah, first day. I have just done the one mistake, I guess. This is the first second day actually. So it's remaining second day, third day, fourth day, fifth day, and sixth day. And on the price of this this is how much? 1, 5, 3, 6, 4. And which day I will be choosing? If I buy the stock on first day, then I will be choosing a this day to, oh sorry, not a this day, like nothing but the fifth day to sell the stock. Why fifth day? Because if I will be selling this stock on third day, then what will happen? I will be getting a how much profit? Tell me. This is, I guess, 1. So how much I will be getting the profit? Tell me. This is 1 is the basically price, and the second is the day. Okay. Remember this thing.
So
I
we'll
just
get
want
the
to
profit of 5 rupees, sir.
we will get the profit of 5 rupees. Are you sure? We will get the profit of 4 rupees if I will be selling this particular stock on third day.
Oh yeah, sorry. I thought you were
Okay.
talking about the 5th day.
No. Let's talk about the this particular day. How much I will be getting the profit?
Sir, 2 rupees.
2 rupees. And fifth day, 5
Sir,
rupees.
5 rupees, yes, sir.
And sixth day,
Sir, 4 rupees.
4 rupees. And how I am calculating this? Remember this thing. This is the formula we will be using in our code. So how am I just calculating this kind of 4 rupees, 2 rupees, 5 rupees? That is simple formula.
So we are just
C
subtracting.
minus
CP
CP.
minus SP means cost price minus selling price.
Selling
We are
price,
using this
yes.
formula. We have
Loss हो जाता
we cost price minus selling price, and then we will get the profit, and we will choose the maximum profit. That is nothing but the sorry. This is not the maximum. This is the maximum. We will be charging this 5 rupees. They're on nothing but the on sixth day. So the problem on the solution, how we will be approaching in a general term, it is clear to everyone. Then I will be moving towards the how we will be coding this problem and doing the solution for this problem, or finding the solution for the problem. Make sure one thing, you have cleared this, whatever the I am telling you, which day I will be using, and the formula, and how I am just traversing this graph. Is it clear to everyone? Okay, so I okay. community live chat, you can just tell me your answers if you are not able to open your mic. So you can just type your responses if I'm asked something in a community live chat. I am just seeing your all the community live chat section on my another screen. Okay, cool. So it's let's move towards the uh, solution, how we will be approaching the solution. So the first of all, let's talk about the first approach, that is the brute force solution. Okay, brute force solution. So what is the brute force solution? Can anybody tell me what is the brute solution? It could be like very
Sir,
simple, very
making
naive
a
solution.
sir, making a loop, finding the minimum one, and then making a loop and finding the maximum one through that from that
Are
index.
you using
नहीं ब्रूट फोर्स तो n स्क्वायर का होगा, मतलब एक आई रन करेगा,
using two
उसके
loops?
फिर जे रन करेगा
Both
आई प्लस
loops.
1 से लेके लेंथ तक, एंड देन मैक्सिमम निकालनी है.
Correct. So brute force, when I will be talking about, that is a very naive approach. You need to just think about it. Let me just explain you whatever these guys has said. Ki, with the like we will be using the two loops and all and all. Let me explain you. So if you know, how many of you have taken my yesterday classes, or you have, if you they are watching on YouTube, so like you have already watched my previous video, that is the two sum problem video. I can expect that thing where we were finding the what, where we were finding the these kind of same thing, like not a this thing, but we were finding a x plus y is equals to target sum we need to find.
Yes.
And the same like where we were also, where we were finding the let's suppose target sum, and where we were using the two for loop. There is a, like we will be fixing one I and then moving the j pointer. Let me explain you, if you know, if you are not having an idea what I'm saying. So let's suppose I want to find the maximum sum, right? So what I will be doing, first of all, the question is saying first you need to buy, okay, and then second, then you can sell. First you need to buy and then you can sell, okay. So what I will be doing, I will be taking two pointers or two variables, okay. This is variables, but it is pointing some value, that's why I'm saying this is pointer, okay. So don't confuse with I'm using pointer. So I pointer and j pointer, okay. And what I will be doing here, like I variable will be pointing on first position, and j variable will be pointing after, just after I position. And I'm considering ki whatever the value which will be coming on this I place, I will be considering that particular value what cost price. Okay, if I will purchase this particular stock on this day, on ith day, how much profit I will be getting. J I am considering like a selling price. So how much profit if I will be getting, if I will be sending, or if I will be selling that particular you can say that stock on this jth day, how much profit I will be getting. So we need to find this kind of thing. So how will I be able to find it? So let's just, I'm not going to tell you the whole solution, because I will, okay. So who are just thinking ki where I will get this code, where I will get this all kind of thing. So whenever this particular recording will upload it, with that recording I will be uploading one doc file, okay. In that doc file I will embed it all the codes, all the approaches, whatever I am telling you. If due to the some the time lag, I would not be able to tell you the full code. So what I will be doing, I will be giving you all the things in the description doc box, doc link, where you can just click on it and then you can access all the code. So you can just think doing the practice with that thing. Okay, so don't worry about the code. Okay, so from now you will be getting the so much things very systematically. Let's come to the problem. I and J I am taking. So what I will be doing, I will be making a pair. Let's suppose if I will be buying the I'm just considering this is the first day, second day, third day, fourth day, fifth day, sixth day. Make sure, my dear friends, whenever you will be writing a code, you will be starting the indexing from zero. For the like you can say understanding purpose and for the explanation purpose, I'm just taking this from first day, okay, because zeroth day, like it might be create confusion. So ith is nothing but the 1th day. If I will on ith day, that is nothing but the first day. If I will buy the stock, then how much profit I will be getting? 7 rupees. I'm just considering a rupees in a unit rupees. Okay, cool. 7 rupees if I'm getting. Okay, So what I will be doing, if I will buy on this particular day, first day, I got the profit 7 rupees. What I will be doing, I will sell it if because each day I'll let's suppose on I key value 1, so I will be purchasing on that day, and up now I will start from j is equals to I plus 1. Listen very carefully. I will be starting j value I plus 1. That is nothing but the from 2. And on second day, Acha, can anybody give me the like explanation on this? Why I taken this I plus 1?
क्योंकि सेल तो आगे ही करना है ना.
Yes, correct. Make sure make sure this thing you will not be starting j is equals to 0. Otherwise, you are saying I will be of 1. If you are setting this j is equals to 0, then like you are saying directly I will be purchasing on that day and selling on that day, and then you will not get any of it. Okay, so you should start this particular j after the I. So that is going to be I plus 1 from 2. How much profit you will be getting? 0 rupees.
Array of j minus array of 1.
Yes, basically you will be doing what? Every time when you will got this kind of pair, for one for loop making for this, second for loop will be running for this, and inside the second for loop some kind of condition you will be meeting, and I'm just writing a pseudo code, not for a correct code. You will get the correct code in the doc file. If prices of I plus, what we will be doing? Tell me the one thing that I want to return it.
प्रॉफिट है तो आगे का प्राइस ज्यादा ही होना
Profit of
चाहिए.
I.
तो प्राइस
So written, like basically the prices of I minus I will be doing prices of j. What the profit I will be coming, that I will be checking with some another variable, and let's just understand the things. How will I be able to do it? Some kind the profit is 0, then I will move towards the again j here. Then profit is 0. Then profit is 0. Then profit is 0. Then profit is 0. Listen very carefully, because you have bought this particular stock at very high price. You bought this stock at 7 rupees, and any day, because we have given this rest of the day, the prices is low as comparison to you bought this particular stock. So you will be getting the loss always. Why? Because you have bought this particular stock at very high price. So what we will be doing, we will not be considering I is equals to 1. Now increment the I key value from 1 to 2. I key value become 2. Okay, so let me just quickly move this particular part here. Cool. Now I is equals to 2. On second day, how much profit I am getting? Tell me. On second day, on second day, what is the price of particular stock? That is 1 rupees. What I will be doing, I will be starting from j from I plus 1, and I will be selling this price. I will be selling this stock. So I will be selling. I bought this particular stock at 1 rupees, and I will be selling from next day, means third day. I bought this stock on second day. I will start to sell this particular stock on third day. Then the price on third day is how much? 5 rupees. How much profit I got? On j is equals to 3, how much profit I got? 4 rupees. On j is equals to 4, I will do the j plus plus, j will here. How much profit I will get? 2 rupees. Then again I will do the j plus plus, then j is equals to how much? 5. Sorry, I have done the mistake something. Okay, sorry, my bad. I taken actually I taken, okay, no, I didn't make the mistake. Sorry, I'm considering I'm taking this index. Sorry, my bad. So for the j is equals to 4, you are getting this. This is the profit actually. Okay, make sure this is the profit. So tell me, on fifth day, j is equals to 5. So on fifth day, how much profit you will be getting? If you have bought this particular one, and on third day, if you are selling on third day, how much profit you are getting?
5.
Correct.
5.
Okay, 5. Let me do it again, because some person might be. I think I did some mistake. Let me again check it. Let's again, I is equals to 0. I is equals to 1. I bought this particular stock on first day, and I will start the selling from the second day. Or not, let me create a second day. Okay, because this is the second day. I will start the selling this particular stock on third day. Third day, the price of how much? Third day price is 5 rupees, and I bought this stock at 1 rupees. How much profit I am getting? 4 rupees. correct? If j plus plus j will become how much? J will become 4, means fourth day the price of this stock is much? 3 rupees. The price of this stock is how much? 3 rupees. So what you will be doing, you will be again checking how much profit I will be getting. I bought this particular stock at 1 rupees. How much profit I am getting? 2 rupees. Up now j will become how much? 5, means fifth day the price of this prep insta stock is how much? 6 rupees. And how much profit I will be getting? 5 rupees. And j will become how much? 6. And on the sixth day the price of this how much? 4 rupees. And how much profit I am getting? That is 3 rupees. So this is the profit I am getting, and I will choose the maximum profit. And this is I am discussing about the brute force approach. So here what are you doing? You are just making a I is equals to 0. First loop is making for the I is equals to 0. For each I iteration, you will be running j is equals to I plus 1 to how much? Nums dot length, that is approximately the size of the array. So you can say that the approximately it will take how much? Big O of n square. Solution.
Sir,
Yes.
so we can also start our I from index 1 to length of the array, and inside the loop we can start our j from 0 to I minus 1, and consequently also calculate the profit, where
0
profit
to
will
I
be
minus,
array.
but you are at the end you are using the nested loop and it will goes to how much?
Yes, it will be also big of n square, but can we
Huh.
also do that?
It could be it could be the another approach. You have to basically what happened now. Okay, if I will tell you ki, okay, this would work. Okay, but what will happen when you will be submitting this particular solution on the online code editor? So there is some thousand of cases will be running. So it might be ki your one or two. It might be ki your one or two test cases will not pass on this. So you have to make sure this thing ki my code is right or not via testing the things again and again. Okay, so you can test it because I have like think the many solution. Literally I have think the many solution, but I didn't get any kind of, you can say that, the right solution, because sometimes my lots of test cases will be failing. हो रहे होंगे, तुम देखना अगर तुम कभी चेक करोगे तो तुम्हारे मोस्ट ऑफ द टेस्ट केसेस फेल हो जाते हैं. तो वो चीज होती है कि for the particular purpose, if you are telling this solution, that's okay, but whenever you will be giving the coding round, then make sure you are giving the best solution. On that time you don't have a time, you will not have a time to think about the what is the brute force and all this kind of thing. You will be telling whenever you will be sitting in the front of interview. Okay.
Yes.
So try it. Doesn't have like it don't have any issue. So let's talk about the best approach. What could be the best approach? So I'm just coming on the directly to the solution of the approach. Okay. So what the best approach is. So let me just move towards this here. Okay. Cool. This is basically nothing but the code for the second approach, that is optimal approach, and maximum time in this question this approach will follow. So what we are doing here, so what we will be doing, nothing but we have given this again array. That is, array is how much? The array is 715364, right? 7153 and 4. What you will be doing on that? So listen, you have the 715364, and in the things in this particular code and in this particular solution, what I will be doing, I will do nothing. I will just consider each day as a cost price, or you can say that the in a one iteration I will be choosing each day as a, you can say that, the buy day. If I buy, like suppose I bought this particular stock on that day. Okay. So first of all, what I will do, rather than finding the buy day, I will find the minimum out of this stock. Because at the end, listen very carefully, at the end, you have to buy the stock on that day, which day the price of that particular stock is very low. That is nothing but you need to find the minimum number out of this stock. And if you would be able to find the minimum number out of this array, then you would be good to go. Because which the minimum number is the number, or is the day, which day that day you will be buying the stock. So you need to first of all make sure this thing, you need to find the minimum. So what we will be doing, we will be implementing a one iteration from I is equals to again 0 to n. Okay, I'm just writing in a, like, let me write in here 0 to n. So you can say I am just using here what I'm using here, one loop I is equals to 0 to prices dot set I plus plus. And now listen, I can expect with all of you literally, I can hardly expect you ki you must have the, I'm not using you should have, you must have the knowledge about this thing ki how calculates the minimum out of the array. Okay, I don't think so, okay, I have to tell you. Okay, so this is the very basics thing. What we will be doing, we will be each iteration. So I have just defined the minimum price variable. This minimum price variable is doing nothing but the minimum price variable will be containing the minimum value, whatever the minimum value in the array that would contain by this particular variable. OP is nothing but the overall profit, and TP is nothing but the your today's profit. So what is your today's profit and what is your overall profit? So overall profit, consider like this, nothing but the maximum profit. Okay, MP, like a maximum profit. Let me just check this. There's a MP and it is also MP and this is also MP. So we need to at the end find the maximum profit. Okay, how much maximum profit we are getting. So I have just defined the variables and then I will start the loop. Okay, the loop is saying ki first we need to find the what? First we need to find the minimum. So I will find the minimum. So I have just minimum price initialized with the max. Int max is nothing but this will initialize your variable very high max value. Okay, that would be not like a very infinite value, but that would be some number. Okay, don't like focus on it, but just consider it will initialize this minimum price variable with the maximum value. Okay, then what you will be doing, then you will be finding this particular minimum function I'm using. Let me just change the pen. So I'm using here minimum function. Minimum function, in the minimum function I will be checking what I will be checking. I will be checking ki which day is best for me to buy. How will I be able to choose ki which day is best for me buy? I need to find the minimum. So what I will be doing, I will be comparing ki currently I am on I. Currently I'm on I. So let's create a I is equals to 0. Let's create I is equals to 0. Okay, I is equals to 0. Prices of I. Prices of I is currently how much? 7. Okay, then this function will run. Prices of I is 7, comma, minimum price how much? Can anybody tell me what minimum price? Minimum price is maximum. Let's consider it as a maximum. So if I will just give to this parameter into the minimum, minimum will return how much? Which is minimum in this? It is considered as an infinite, but it is not infinite. Let's consider as an infinite. 7 comma infinite. Which would be greater?
7.
7.
Minimum.
Oh, sorry, minimum. Which would be minimum? 7. So 7 is the minimum. Then what I will do, I just assign this 7 at the minimum price. Then minimum price variable containing 7. Listen very carefully. Minimum price containing what? Minimum price containing 7. Okay. Medium size. Then let's do another part, that is this particular second statement. I'm considering this is first statement inside the loop. This is the second statement inside the loop. Second statement is saying ki prices of I. Can anybody tell me what is the prices of I? 7. 7 minus. Listen, what we are using here. Can anybody tell me what formula we are using here? Like you can say that the prices of I, that is nothing but the selling price, and the minimum price is the cost price. So each day you will be selling. Here you are, each day you will be selling. You will not be finding out which day I will be buying. In brute force approach, we are doing same thing simultaneously. I is for buy and J is for sell. But here we are saying ki buy I can find it. Buy I can find it if I have a minimum. But how will I be able to find it? Which day is suitable for me to sell the stock? So which day? How will I be able to choose that particular day? With the help of this particular thing. So I will buy this particular stock. Let's say prices of I is how much? 7. Okay. And minimum price is how much? 7. 7 minus 7 is 0. I am getting a today's profit is 0. So what I will do? I will do nothing. And then I will move towards the plus plus. Okay. Let me just remove this all kind of thing. I will do what? I will move towards this kind of plus plus. What will happen? I value become 1. I value become 1. And then what I will do, I will again check. I will again check the prices of I. Now prices of I is changed. Prices of I is become how much? 1. And the minimum price how much? 7. Then 1 comma 7. Which one is minimum? Which one is minimum? 1 or 7?
1.
1. So 1 will assign to the minimum price. Now 1 will change with the 1 minimum price. And then what will happen? Then again we will be checking the today's profit. So today's profit is how much? Prices of I. Prices of I is nothing but the what is the price of this day? So price of this day is how much? 1. Price of this day how much? Is 1 now. So I will be considering like 1 minus minimum price is how much? Minimum price is how much? 1. So getting a 1 minus 1, 0 profit. Of course, I am getting a 0 profit because I have purchased on this. Okay, let's again increment the I value. You are thinking ki what this Aditya is doing. We are getting a 0. Now let's see. The twist is come. Twist is coming where okay, let's increment this I value from 0 to 1. Okay, first 0, then cancel, then 1, and then increment with 2. Now I value become 2. The prices of I is how much? Prices of I is how much? 5. Minimum price how much? Minimum price is currently what? Minimum price is currently 1. Why? Listen, prices of I is how much? 5. 5 comma 1. Which one is minimum? Of course 1 is minimum. So 1 will assign to the minimum price variable, and here 1 is here. Then next time what you will do, you will again check keep prices of I. What is the selling price for this? If I will sell this stock on this day, on ith day, means ith is nothing but the on second day. Second day, what is the price of second day? Second day, the price of this 5. And what is the minimum price? Minimum price is 1. 5 minus 1, how much? Tell me.
4.
4. Then today's profit is how much? 4. So basically you are using the selling price, and consider this self key. You are using here the thing key when you will be selling and the thing. So SP minus CP formula you should know. Consider like correct this self. This is the SP minus CP formula you should be using. This is the basic using. So 5 minus 1 you will be getting the 4, and this is the profit. And now you can see currently the profit is 4, and overall profit is how much? 0. 4 is greater than 0, then we will increment this with the 4. Okay. Then what we will do? Tell me, then what we will do? We will return or we will again increment? We will again increment. We will again increment with the 3 value. I is equals to I will become 3. And then when I will become 3, then what will happen? I will become 3. Then what I will do? I will again running this whole particular set of instruction again and again and again. So I will become 3. The prices of I is how much? Prices of I on third day is how much? 3. And 3 comma 1. Then again you are getting the minimum price 3. Then again you will be selling price is how much? 3 minus 1. Then you will be getting a 2. Today's profit you are getting 2, and your overall profit currently you can say that the maximum profit is 4. You will not be changing this 4. Currently your maximum profit is 4. And now let's come to our final iteration, and then we will end this. So when we will come towards the I will become 4, what will happen? When I will become 4, what will happen? Again we will be checking the price on that day. 4 is the price on that day, and minimum price is 1. Which one is minimum? 1 is minimum. Minimum will go towards the 1. And prices of I minus minimum prices. So prices of I is how much? 6 minus 1. 6 minus 1 is how much? 5. Now you can say today's profit is 5. And overall profit is 4. 5 is greater than 4? Yes. Then we will change this 5. And then again we will traverse for the 5, but we will not be changing this maximum profit. And then again at the end we will be returning this overall profit. So Is it clear to everyone whatever I told you?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
This question is very important, but this question is like a, you can say you will be feeling ki I'm not be able to understand this problem, but the problem is very what I say. Listen, I'm just telling you the problem. That is the first part. If you will not, if you you will be seeing a second, third, and fourth part, na, you will be like, "Ki, okay, what is going on?" But the problem is very famous. Best time to buy and sell stock. That's also I like asked in my one of the internship interview like this. Ki, what is the like? They had asked me this first, but this is the thing. Best time to buy and sell in stock. It is a very the most important problem. Why? Because not ki it is coming in very like big companies. It is important because this is explaining you the concept. This is brushing up your concept. You can see ki how this particular, the code is like nothing towards the lead code, sorry, lead code part. You can see here, this is very simple. If you can see, just this is a brute force approach. I'm telling you, this is the brute force approach. Okay, we have just used the two loops, and I just update the maximum every time, so you don't it won't holds the previous value. And again, I'm using the j is equals to I plus 1. Again, next time I'm finding max and then maximum minus prices of I. I'm getting the profit. You will just read this. You will be definitely able to got this. Now, let me talk to you. What's the basically code is? So I have already explained you code, but the code is this. Code is nothing but the you have just done the same thing, or you can see the votes for this particular problem. 18,073. 110, 100,000. 18,000. Now you can imagine what's the importance of this problem. That's why I'm saying. So I hope so you have liked this problem. If you want to discover the more solution, you can do the you can just come here and do the code, and you will be getting the lots of. So tell me, it is clear to everyone? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Anyone having any doubt in this approach? Nobody has no doubt, right? So, okay, let me just stop the recording. I guess from my side,